You know, so we in a place, and you know, so boy, you know what go on. Port Antonio with the early morning. We're talking about 6:05, 6 o'clock in the morning, you know. And we're there at Boundbrook. And we're there at the soup corner. Alright, you might, people come around, you might know this man here, and you know this spot right here, so. This man they call Soupy, a Boundbrook Soupy this, right in a pot bottom kitchen in the early morning here. And as you say, pot bottom, see the big shine pot here, see the boss here, right the same there. Alright, that's you know, so a breakfast soup, you know, see me? Right here, sir. Soupy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, man, talk to the people, man, how you doing?
Not too bad, you know.
Yeah, man, good to see you.
Get everything ready.
Boy, 6 o'clock in the morning, the real thing.
The real thing.
Right, and you say start?
Right as I start.
Jesus have mercy, may I tell you. Hear what happened now, Sophie. Why you tell the people where I cook today? What I go on today? Tell them what I go on.
Sell me a sell pitney. You see?
The boss say my sell pitney. Break that down. Break that one. Break that down.
Then the soup today,
Alright.
we have some busso.
Yes, sir.
We have cow skin.
Alright.
We have kong. And the lobster going out. Guess what? You can get a pitney. Less than 5 days. No response to mine.
This man is hilarious, man. He is hilarious. So, Soup man say, boy, he sell pitney today. And here you go. You're in the corner, right at Boundbrook at the crossing. As you turn around from the palm tree, right at Pavilion. Yes, right at Pavilion gate. See there? You have Soupy. I'm going to tell you, say, boss, I pass 6 o'clock in the morning. And the man are doing preparation, are doing prep. I'm prepping, you know. And as we say, the man in I joke. As the man say lobster. See there? Alright, so here we go. You eat from the man. So what's your name, boss?
Jones.
So Jones, tell me what I want like for the new year. What you have for the people for the new year? What magical about 2021?
Alright, say.
Talk to them, man.
Alright, you know. It's for 2020. Most of we get a beating.
Okay, cool.
But at the same time, show you how resilient we are.
Beautiful.
So what we are going to do, what me plan to do, just to take that little energy I have to survive 2020 with, and take it and put it in a 2021 and beyond.
Man, you hear it from the man.
So, for persons who be kind of out and down, we kind of define a little way where we have to find a way to try to make it to survive. We want to use the energy there. No, really matter if you have a next job.
Real talk.
Use the energy there and try, because guess what? We don't know how the rest of the year you have to feel out. We have to try to sit.
So we have to approach it with a energy and a positive vibe.
Right.
Beautiful. Now you eat from the man. Soup up on the corner. More than the people them call you, right?
Yeah, man.
Answer them on soup.
Definitely.
Alright, tell me your number. Like today I pitney there. Enough man want pitney, you know. So you open out. Give them number. Give them their number and tell them what I go on today.
Alright, so at any given time, 441-1468.
Okay, and you
and delivered. Right.
And you use 876 on the front of that.
Yeah, 876.
Big up anybody overseas, man. What you mean at 2021? Big up your family and friends, man.
Alright, so,
yeah, man.
Alright, yo, now big up Denise, supporter.
Beautiful.
I have some friends around me where they push me and things. So Nadine, when I'm my 2 kids, Ricardo and Sharicia, just to say big up to them, and Daddy love you.
Daddy love you.
Yeah.
Wow, the greatest thing is love, alright? If you want to take care of the kids, them, you know what happened. A goal at the end of the road, yes?
Definitely.
And diamond and everything, alright? So it's good to see you early in the morning. Yo, me love it. Me like to see it, yeah? And that's what young entrepreneur is all about. You get up early morning, yes? The early bird?
You get the most worm.
Beautiful.
So do your own thing, 9 to 5, it's a 24-hour job. There
you go. And that's the smart man talking there. Alright, as we said, this is the man thing right here. Alright, look at this.
Food vault.
The food vault. Man, this is crazy.
So, for the coming of the year, rest of the year, I plan to drop out my jerk pan.
Yes.
Fry some chicken neck, chicken back, and do some fried plantain and some things.
Okay.
And take it to.
What I want to tell you, now, make sure you get the thing sanctioned by the health department, you know, brother.
Yes, man.
Yeah, make sure them go. Yes.
It will run in the next 2 months.
Yes.
The thing up, and thing and trained, certified by art, level 2, food prep, commercial food prep, and all these things. So, all here doing it.
Sweet. You open, make we see some, we have the cow skin. Make you see what I go on, man.
Alright, so the pot, pretty fresh, pretty pressure.
Okay, so you see, you open now. You see what, looking at the pot now. The boss have what cinnamon. Whoa. This are the mix up right here, so people. See that? Are the baby, yo, no sir, no. Busso. Them dark color thing there, you see, is busso. Yes, people, and red bean. And the man have pumpkin in that, and you see this, see that?
Carrot, I'm Irish.
Right. The bars just a prep. Okay? So here what happened now. Early morning, the bars just a start the thing, and soon start blazing. Alright?
Normally I'm up by like 8 o'clock in the morning.
By 8 o'clock, the bars ready for soup, for breakfast. Telling people, come and see him. See that? Baby there today. Okay, picnic day the man say. Alright? So later the man gonna start you out. As we said, the food vault. Oh man, that's a nice name. I like it. Yeah man, yeah, it's catching. Yeah, the food vault. You hear talk about money vault? You will talk about no food vault. Food vault. Alright? So you hear from the big man, and you know we're taking it to you again out of Pat Bottom Kitchen. Food vault. Soup corner. Bonebrook crossing. Come and see this big man. Alright? And we'll talk to the people soon. We're up on the road early. So, as we said, the early bird. Talk to you later. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Out. Okay, beautiful people. Here we go again. You know, we're talking about the people and that take all the taste out on the road. Yes, and they bring the taste from their kitchen to your mouth. And now we are in MANDA'S kitchen. We are still in Port Antonio. And here we go. We are in MANDA'S kitchen, and it seems like MANDA'S is taking care of something here special. Yeah, MANDA'S seafood boil, and here she is doing her thing. A little emergency here, but guess what happened? She's doing her thing. And look at this. Hey. It looks like a Cajun food, eh? Yeah, but here we go. It tastes like Cajun, isn't it?
No, it's Cajun.
So it's a Cajun thing she's doing. She's going on. She's happening here with her. Okay, so MANDA'S kitchen. MANDA'S, you have something to tell the people? Tell what I want, man.
Well, I open from 9:30 and 9 o'clock some days. Well, from 9:30
yes.
Friday, 9 o'clock Saturday to 7 and 7:30.
Okay.
So it's done to order only. And we have a delivery service. We work with a delivery service as well, so you can pick up. You can pick up, or you can have it delivered to you.
Beautiful.
Using our delivery service that we are partnered with.
Beautiful.
And I
But
serve
MANDA'S,
seafood boil, and I do tacos, and I will be having some bad hot dogs on the way, and some loading fries, and some mashed potato sides soon. And I do liquor with the food as well, so
all that coming.
Everything, yeah.
Okay, MANDA'S, you what happened? I want you to tell the people what's your telephone number. People can contact you. Look.
It is 319-2833.
And you do takeout, and you do charge takeout or what? Tell me what's going on with the takeout system we operate.
Oh, so you can order through delivery.
Beautiful.
JA. I'm not sure of all the price, but they have good prices. So they take their food right to the door.
So true delivery is what anchor the thing. Whenever the people can come by you. So true delivery. You have a number for true delivery?
Not out my head.
Not out your head. So you got to go online, right?
Yes.
And dock in true Instagram, and you go true delivery, and you see what's going on. And this is what you have in the kitchen today, guys. And this is what? Tell me what's the price range?
Seafood boil. So this is a $2,000 plate.
It's a $2,000 plate.
Yeah,
fancy stuff.
Corn, potato, eggs, shrimp, crayfish. We have 3,500 for with everything else with lobster in it.
With lobster.
Yeah.
Everything with lobster.
Everything with
Okay.
lobster. Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. So it's all seafood.
All seafood.
All shell food. So guys, if you're allergic to shell food, don't come around here. Okay, we don't want to put this lady in no trouble, and you call the ER for anything. Okay. Okay. MANDA'S kitchen. And that's what she do 7 days a week. Okay. That's another boy she have here sort out. Trust me, seems like she's doing good based on what the people have been saying. Alright, so you can contact her on your number, that's what she said, and this is what we have around here. Young entrepreneur doing everything out of her kitchen. It's Corona time, and that's what happened. She's doing it out of her own kitchen. Alright? So here we have it. Amanda's kitchen. Alright? We're out. We'll talk to you soon. Let's hear from all of you guys out there. Tell you what's happening. Pat Batam.